Hey Future GGs, welcome to the official uOttawa Future Students YouTube channel. My name is Noah and I'm a fourth year student studying political science with a minor in theater. We are so excited to be bringing you our weekly vlogs and Q&A videos. Here you'll have the opportunity to hear from current students to know what it's like to be a student on campus, and we'll be answering all of your questions.
What average do you need to get into your program?
Can you play intramural sports in university?
How do you get involved with research on campus?
What is the difference between health sciences and biomed?
So where can I study on campus?
What are the advantages of staying in Ottawa?
So how do we pay for it all?
All right, I'll see you later. Please be sure to follow us on all of our social media at uOttawa Future and press the subscribe button and the notification bell down below. We can't wait to see you. Go GGs.